So let me inform you first in English and thereafter in Khasi. Well, friends, today Cabinet sat at 12 noon and few decisions were taken. Number one is, last time I've already explained to you about the draft Meghalaya State Agricultural Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020. Again today the Cabinet discussed about this draft bill, and that also after due consultation with all the 3 district councils where we had a meeting yesterday, and the views, suggestions made by all the 3 district councils has been also taken note of that, and ultimately the Cabinet today approved the draft Meghalaya State Agricultural Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020. I would like to explain to you. In fact, this act was passed in the year 1980 in the name of Meghalaya State Agricultural and Marketing Act 1980. Why we have to amend this act? It is because we add a few more items in the existing act. Previous act, livestock was not there. And number 2, fisheries was not there. And number 3, medicinal plant was not also included. So in view of these 3 items which needs to be included in the previous act, amendment was necessary. So this draft bill will be placed in the coming budget session starting from 20 of this month. That is the decision number 1. Then number 2, today we also discussed about the Chief Minister's Task Force, Chief Minister's Task Force on economy for the post-COVID-19. So what happened was, the Cabinet was briefed by the Planning Department, by the Honorable Chief Minister, the proposal for constituting. One is the working group, and number 2 is the executive committee of the task force. So I'm happy to inform you, the executive committee under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, members of this executive committee constituting of Deputy Chief Minister, Minister of Commerce and Industries, and Minister of Agriculture, then Chief Secretary, then Secretary of NEC, then Mr. K.N. Kumar, Chairman Farmers Commission, then Professor David R. Emle, academician, then Professor Stephen Dercon from Oxford University, then Shri Shishir Bajoria, Chairman of the IIM Shillong, Mr. Bajoria, Chairman of IIM Shillong, and other experts to be co-opted by the committee, and the member secretary is Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS. And then the working groups, we have 6 working groups in this task committee. 6 working group from different discipline. One working group under the chairmanship of Srimati Revika Susyang, Additional Chief Secretary, who will look after finance, revenue and investment. That is the number 1 working group under the chairmanship of Srimati R.V. Susyang. Then number 2, infrastructure and labor under the chairmanship of Shri D.P. Alang, Principal Secretary. Then number 3 working group is primary sector, agriculture and allied, under the chairmanship of Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed, IAS. The number 4 working group is rural poverty alleviation and livelihood, to be headed by Shri P. Sampat Kumar, IAS. Then again, industries and trade, to be headed by Shri M.R. Sunrem, IAS. And last is tourism and entrepreneurship and skills working group, to be headed by Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS. And these working groups will nominate experts, invite experts, nominate experts in each working group, and thereafter they will submit the proposals from all these 3 sectors to the executive committee. Then the executive committee will sit down, and thereafter it will be taken to the cabinet for final approval. So these are the 2 agendas where we discussed and passed today in the cabinet meeting. So next point, for the information of the members and citizens of the state, the sample collected and sent for testing till today again comes to 2712. Number of reports received and negative 2597 reports tested and became negative. The number of test results awaiting is 102. And till today we have one more active case. One active case. Out of 13, 11 fully recovered, 1 deceased, and 1 is still active. So next information, till today, 4,681 people stranded, which includes stranded students as well as citizens of the state, who came back from different places within and also outside the northeastern states, stands to be 4,681. 4,681. And all of them, all the 4,681, they are right now in the respective designated quarantine centers. Some of them in the respective houses, but most of them, they are in the community created quarantine centers. Okey, haka khasi. Menne haka por khat arbje ka kabinet la syong bat katu kan itili kirai ki banglasim ka baningkong kadai ya ka draft bill ka bangitip kerteng kum ka Meghalaya State Agricultural Produce and Livestock Marketing Bill 2020. Ya keningi wanra biang namar mendin kadon ka consultation but ki lightly ki dis council but ki laingut ki CM Jong kini ki lightly ki dis council haka bangi kren na kumtakan ka bill namar bangi hap ban yo lang ru ya ka views na kini ki dis council bro lightly te mendin ngala syong ya ka meeting kila ai ya ka suggestion ya ka views ke jongki haka ba nakalian ke sorkar kala de consider ya kita ki jing don kam jongki kawai na ki concern ki ba kini ki lightly council ki lo ka ki penpau kolong ba kanum don ka duplikasi lani ka infringement but ka bor jong ka dis council te ya kata nakalian ke sorkar kala taken care of ba kanum don kanu ka duplikasi lani ka infringement haka authority but ka function jong kini ki lightly ki dis council but kumang labatai sisin kani kadai ka ak kabarim kaba nadu ukhat khandai spa prapau kladon kani ka ak kabangi ong ka State Agricultural Produce and Marketing Act 1980 but kani ka ak kum bakalong kalong baka state government kala ban set up yakini ki regulated market ha ki jaka ke baper hapo jong ke jelam Meghalaya na kementa ban penbit penbiang ya ki paj ba nong rep jong ke jela tenrei ha kani ka amendment ka bangile menta kalong kawei ngi atshu ya ke items amdei shu tang ye ki jhur ki jep tenrei ngi atshu ba ki livestock items kum kado siar kado sniang kidok masi nang ta kidok ha ya kataru ngila kentup lang hakane ka amendment ka tmai ka bangin bu apo assembly hakane ka session ka banlong te na kata kadaw ni don kam ban le ya kane ka amendment na kamenta ban penklain ban penbit penbiang namar ngiat ya kane ka item sengkat bat kawe susu ka bangi ong ka medicinal plant hakaba ya kataru on cover lang hapo jong kaneka amendment kaba tmai kaba nakaliang ka sorkar kala approve nang takabaar ka issue ka bingi kren ru menne nakaliang jong ka sorkar ka kabinet kala menjur hadin ba ka planning department kawan ra ya ka we ka proposal but kata ka proposal kelong bantau ya ka Chief Minister's Task Force on the economy of the state post COVID-19. Ya ka niru ngila menjur ha ka bala tau ya ka executive committee ha po ka jinglong chairman nu Chief Minister Bodon Burom jungi but ki members kilong kumni harum Deputy Chief Minister, Minister of Commerce and Industries, Minister of Agriculture, nang Chief Secretary, nang NEC Secretary, North Eastern Council Secretary Badon Hangne Shillong, nang Shri KN Kumaro Badeu Chairman, Jong ka Farmers Commission, nang Professor David R.S.M. Ibadeu Academician, nang susu i Professor Stephen Derkon ibadai napo Oxford University nang i Shri Shishir Bajoria ubadai chairman jong ka IIM Shillong but member secretary ngibu ya Dr. Vijay Kumar kum member secretary but ru insa kentup shu ya ki expert kasyong kat kum kajing idon kam jong kani committee nang ta susu na kanika executive committee labu susu reu teli ki working group kiban yaj la ka jong ka tenat rekam ka jong ki ki banwanra ia ka report ke jongki syakani ka executive committee ka benengkong finance revenue and investment layalam lakli ia kanika working group da ikong Revika Susiam ibalong additional chief secretary nang taka weipat ka infrastructure and labor hakaba an head an yalam daiba DP walang IAS ibalong principal secretary nang tay kiniki primary sector kabangi ong ki agriculture and allied sectors daw Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed principal secretary nang tay ka rural poverty alleviation and livelihood yakni an head but an yalam daw Sri P. Sampat Kumar commissioner secretary nang tay ka industries but ka trade da Usri M.R. Sanrem commissioner secretary but ya ka tourism entrepreneurship and skill development yakni an yalam da u Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS kini ki working group kin sasyong la ka jong ka lain ke jongki kalau ka jong ke sektor but hadin nang ta kin sawanra ya ka report syaka executive committee but hadin na ka executive committee ansara syaka kabinet na ka benta ban yo ya ka jing menjur ban ya nang ni syakmat ya ka kom trekam jong kini ki sektor ki ba per hapo ka jelam ikla jongi pro kawai pat na kabda kajing tip jong ki nong syong snong ka jela ka jongi kumbangi ju pentip na kapor sya kapor ka sampel ka bangi lalum mat ka bangi lapha na ka mata ka testing kalong hajar news pa khat ka report ka bangi layo bat ka balong positif kalong hajar sanspa khandai punyo teli nanta ka report ka report ka bagiyo bat ka balong negatif hajar sanspa khandai punyo teli nangta ka result ka bangidang up kalong sispa arteli bat kumba phitip khat lai teli ki case ki don khat wengut kila klan bha manta iwei balaklat bat iwei pat idang long aktif hadu kanikasngi kaba menta Shushu na kabenda ka jingtip jong ki pajba nong sonong jok ngajela hadu menta kasngi ki balawan pai syapok kejela kalong sau hajar reus pa pra powengut sau hajar reus pa pra powengut ki balawan pai bat kabang ngau ba ban pentip leng ba jong pi kalong bakine barok ki don halaki jong ki jaka don ki badon hayin ki bale ka home quarantine henrei ki babun na kini ki dei ki badon hapok ka community quarantine ya ka bala penbet kerpang leng ba jong ki bor snong ki bor thau kata ka dei ka jing pentip ha kani ka janmit na ka benta ka jing tip lang jong ki pajba no song snong baro tapi don kono jing keli
Kini kita sini, user.
okay
Kini kita sini,
oh
user pendidik kau warning. Pada tahu, pada komen, mereka ini dia di beberapa tentang ini. Southeast Asian fokus pula pada COVID. Kemudian orang yang dulu jiwa dari mereka, dia berjumpa tentang tentang itu. Kemudian juga ada user pelomba. Akhirnya kita belajar tentang kejiap untuk kita hamdan hari dia dalam membantu menjadi apa mana sih menjadi apa komen
pi ngam tip haki wiki state tre hapo ke jelala jong ni larep ai ka direction but ka direction kalong bangim day ban klet pat yakin nongpang ki bom day bakiyo jingpang new COVID-19 na kata daw ngilarai mentala kumbala la jandap si benai kabangi ai order ba borok kitu ki hospital ki civil hospital ki laumali ki district hospital brokhot ki ong ba day ban play batru day ban ai ka treatment ya ki nong song snong jong ke jela ki badon ke jingpang ke baper klem dade bayo yaw new COVID-19 te nakaliang jong ke sorkar ke jela ke jongi ngisim khialang mdei tang ba ong mi yakun yaw new COVID-19 nrei hakaju ka poru ka jing yakun jongi ka jing trei ka jongi kelong ba ngin ai ya ka jing sumar kat ka bangila ka babhatam na kementa ki we parru ki nongpang ki bayo ya ka jingpang ka jongki na kasngi sya kasngi
Saya actually
ha
sebenarnya pada serkar telah bulan yang dengan di sana di perut ini satu sebab
ha
dan baca dan di sini dan di sini kali itu. Jadi pada serkar saya terus berkata tentang itu beramai dan semua sebab itu orang Thai adalah mana dia bisa fikir bahwa dari mana dia bisa itu orang kecintaan di pam. Maka negara saja. Baik, antara lagi bah itu besar sebab kai report itu kesehatan. Yang berhubungan dengan kesehatan.
api yamenta namar komo pi ke jingwan kadang yai ke register kadang yai ngimpat la ban ong kumnuru katnu ke banwan ke total jogi bat katnu ke ba banwan pai tenrei kawe komo pi nadu dewan ke bangi ngi kerpan ngalong sulkar kalong ba yakito ke bedang biang ke jakasa jakasong jogi sengau bah hakabakum kani ka saw kasien ladolong bala wat wan pai hadu ba ka situation mdei tang hame kala hari ha India bro kowe kala bit kala biang maniat baniang kata de kowe te nemetu de hanta bangong pi ka pelong yengi bangin register ya ki bamut banwan ne ki bomwan ru ngikwa bakin register bangin tip ki don kat nungut ki breu ki jongi ki badon sabar keleng jogeri India rengkat bad hapo North Eastern region ki jongi ki don kat nu pho hajar ngut bangin skotu na kada ngong pi ka benengkong ka bengiyo kolong dei lengba ka tu ka bengi ajirap lai hajar tengka ka tu lai hajar tengka ngirap ka yarap sibun jingi bengiyo ya ka registration ya ka number joki bat ka total kitu ki banyo mentai ka tu ya ka tu ka lai hajar tengka kolong shipho hajar arspa prapo nyongut shipho hajar arspa prapo nyongut kita datang ki berregister tengi sutu te menta ko mo ong pi na kita menta ko bang lai tu pi mene 20,000 tam kila wan pai te menta ko mut ke bedang sa na kita ko long san riu hajar tam ten rei menta registration kadang ya sha don ki berregister thumai ru hakabanga imat ke ko mo pi tangi sha ka mainland sabar jong ke North Eastern State imat unduna ya ka prahajar steng hadu kendai hajar ki bar register bat ka jing register jogi kamut ben ong babrok kin wan pai ten rengi ko mo pingila kerpat yakito ki bedang sngo baki dangla ban kersan sngo bah wat pat wan pai tenang ta ka baar ka pikli ba ka e ka pinle kerpang nam ta jongki ki balong be dakabor la jong dakijing sngo musim la jong ki ong bangin wan pai nagam ta kijing bahalang jo kaye ka sem bat ka jelai brok away ya kata ngimpat rai kumno ngin sapek komopi andang ila dep lut kat nungut ki balawan pai bat kan nungut ki ba sa sabar tingin ya persyangi kanu kalat kalti ka bangila banle kerpang nam tajong ki ten rei ya mentai ngaong pina kaliang ka sarkar ngi salute yakini ki khon samla ki bas ngotho ya ka jing ya ka ba ka sarkar lene ka jela lene kasnong katau kapisa kalang bat kedutia kadu dep
kadang ada jemur yang sarkar menurunkan ini termasuk skandal ada yang ini bos
ya kai OM kumbalong hidu menta ngimpat yu namar kadau kolong ba ngimpat syak ban rungki public hapos kretiat ngimpat syak ke restriction ke bajur ngatai piatip bahai kata ban ong ki visitors ngimpat syak bat ngida kerpat hiru ba ki visitors kin ngau bah ban nempat yarung yami hapos kretiat namar bakani kijing kun kijing kedang ya syakmat bat kham tam namar menta kelas dang kijing wan kini ki kun samla jongi nabar na keleng jong kajela na daw pi ke restriction hadu mentahi kanum don kanun ko constitution nam ta relaxation ngin yayat ban ngin yai strict hadu bang ya deplut yaki ke bro ke jingwan jo gitu ki kon samla jongi shala ka jong snong shala ka jong sik hang ta le si hadin kat ko mor ngin sapet pada ka e ka ba ngide ban sim ya ka course of action
Ini kalau kita terus perlu untuk bondong sebenarnya ini kok susah tu bakal serta kapan nanti bondong kita begini baru kok kerja ini juga jadi transport ini juga
jong kai hin reu kan no kai
betul kalau kita terus perlu untuk bondong ini
okay ka kot kesla jong ki ka balong simple kalong bet ba ban pentikna ba dei ki nong sok snong ba pura jong ka jela ka jongi kawai ki kot kesla ka dei ki ipik ka baar ka kerteng kemi pa ka balai ka jakasyong ga jakasa jong ki ka dei ban pentikna ba bangintip baru kumju ya ki account number jong ki
Sekolah nampak orang yang saya itu, nak kalian betul kuliah putih telah guna bertolong dari exam di kota sekolah. Ini paper sudah sah sekali, awalnya manuan. Itu untuk apa? Yang ini kita boleh exam tidak betul asal pun diberi itu ikut ini. Bangladesh, Burma, Bhutan tertentu. Aku nak berbicara ini bukan lupa, bukan boleh exam.
ngam aware kata namar kan ka dei ki namunta ka matrik bar ka baar ya ka class 12 te ka bangimut ka bangi yarai bangin pelong ya ka exam kalom tang ya kini ki ar kawe ka matrik kidang don ka subject ka bakim 4 pendep ka baar ki class 12 ru ka don ka subject ka bakim 4 pendep te hadu mentang ngam tip badon ki bana Bangladesh le na sabar jong kari ki ban ya le ka ni exam namar ka banging long ka sen dei kini ki ba don mentan mar yok ki miss ya kanika subject ya kaba kibapli kimyo ban pendek kumba kalong hi namar ngi wat ya interstate movement ngimsha kaba syai kedar kalong interstate movement ngimsha banwan kilebor thmai nakano ka jaka nakano ka jelaru ngimsha kamut kahap lang hanta baka interstate movement ngimpat sya ba kinwan pai hapo ka jela megala jumi
di nanti samaja aku buat nampak sih buat di shop di community karena ini bukan karena
yes
berarti aku profesi di community management karena nah jadi kalau tu existsi bagi IT ni, kamu ni kalau kita asal akan uji, kalau kita nak berapa lama, ini nak central government. Nana central kalau tu kita percaya antara itu.
Abi kini ki front liner, ya kini ngidang ya perkat, ke ka babahatam manle ki namar ki bapli, ki do thia ki do dembat, mendang tang ki resu ya kecing im lajong. Ya kini ka sarkar kan dang examine, bengin pej kumno bengin le, kenang ba kiru ki bapli kinyo ka special recognition na ka sarkar.
Sir, you got excuse me, sir.
Ini adalah dari yang Islam. Jadi sekarang dia baru, kalau beli dia kata belajar dan
kumbalong akawidei bat kanika jing yap jong kisniam na kalian ka veterinary department bat ki district veterinary officers halaki jong district ka instruction ka bangila ay borok kalong ba kinlong more vigilant kinlong proactive but hadu ki doktor ke mengitung hadu kasina di block level ngimsya yaki bakin mi na ka station joki bakin don bejang tu nangta ka basngutnat kalong ki test kimila test borok ki poi ka jing test yakini ki sniang borok ka poi lai pho pratali but borok kini ki life of pratali kalong kabas ngotunat kabang yo ek report kalong bak kim day na kaneka African swine fever kim day ki jingpang na ka African swine fever kadai ka local disease kabang don te ya kani na kalyang jong ngaru kumu berepej ya kani ka department ngalai direction ya ki yo director bakin long more vigilant ladon kanu ka case bakin take up lanikin respond very promptly rengkat bat kita wai dasin ke badan kam
Matli ene maka hari ini jadi Indonesia boy.
Oh.
Kasih.
Ah.
Kenolong belum disir, orang belum di orangnya.
Ah.
Mengapa menjadi transport dan sana ini orangnya.
Oh.
Hari ini aktivis.
Api kejing kang jongi kalong kumni. Number one, ngimsya ban import ya kedok seniang nabar jong kejela. Kata kadai kaban nungkong karai, bat haduk mentah kadang yen gani. Kabaar pederu ngimsya bakan don ka inter-district movement jong kisniang. Banra na kad riboy district siapo is kasils. Lani na kawai ke district siya kawai pat. Kabakila kalong bet baladaki oddo kia bamdo. Kan long bet la ka jong ke district. Ten reben ong ka inter district bat ka interstate ya kata ngila asil shua bat ngila kang shua haduk mentakasni.
Bang ada lagi minyak lagi napu,
Oh.
kita Department of Agriculture aku ni nak komiti, pak petro kami. Dan depan
Ngimpat yo ek report namar ba na kaliang district horticulture officer ula late teledi tenang ta ki expert ki bawan nang thena po ICR kala lelang tikla sim ya ke sampel tambah haduk mentang ngimpat yo ek report maybe la shala ne la monday ngalak ban saai kata report.
Kau itu nak apa? Hidup kisnam jadi kedulu, tapi hidup di bang. Kemudian ini kehutaran ini di warna sama. Tapi kalau kalian begitu.
Ya komno.
Kita kisnam bagi hidup di bang. Tapi sebenarnya kami dalam kehutaran di warna lawasti.
Nga OPP kan ne ke jinya tray jongi na ka sarkar din. Kadon ke jinya tray rengkat nadu ke sarkar hadu ke diskausil menangi don kepenting sebatai bat ka diskausil nang tarengkat bat ki sim ki hima nang ta hadu ki borsnong ki bortau te kitu ki snong komong ong pi hadu mentang ngampat yo ke report bakano no snong kan ong bagim sya bakin wan kini ki samla ki kun samla jungi hak snong joki ka ka baki ong kolong baki pat tang ka ka baki ong don ki snong ki bong nginem sya bakin sa hayin lani kitu ki trying bapli ki ong ngingim kwa bakit banwan ra hayin tika ka baki le kolong maksimum na kita kalong baki create ya ka center la ka jong kala banlong high school kala banlong haying dorbar da ka jing tip bat da ka jing penbet da ka jing peniat jong ka borsnong ka bortau tina kaliang jongi ke sarkar ka bangile kalong nginhap bat sulit supply tang corrosion ya corrosion ya kitu ki bangile ka karantin la kalong haying la kalong community hall high school la ni haki centers ba per ya ta ngila kular bangin le penpoi ya kamarba mardi na kamta joki.
Jadi dia ada meeting pada Latri District Council. Kau ini District Council ke janji ke satu District Council nasihat itu dengan yang menyentuh sebagai kita bagi kesempatan mulai terham bagi beliau. Jadi saya dengan meeting lagi.
Menin ke jigi keren bat nga kalong bet ni keren ya ke isu jong tu ka amendment. Tenre kamdon kono bakin ya keren ya ke isu ke bidai bat kata ka pending dues ke bakim yo. Tenre ya kata roh kilat ho officially. Tenre kalian joka finance bat ka department ba per kidang work out ban tikena kadnu kadang don ka outstanding dues jong kineki. Mdai tang janti hills na jong kineki bro lai teliki this council. Sakawai ngakwa ban ya tu ipi ba menne ngiya kendu hapok jilam jong CM jong ka Kasil Autonomous Council wan yelam lang kisim ki sodar ki lengdo syusyuru bat kasenjuk jong kino sensyar snong hakaba ki kendu kerpang ya chief minister badyenga te kaba kiru kiwan kilong ba nakaliang jong ki penpau bangilong ready banye trelang bat ru ban pediang ya kini ki kun samla jongi lapi ong ki bapule lapi ong ki bela ki bele tre keleng saudong jong India kan don ke jing tre lang ngapdeng jong kabor sarkar kabor dis council batru kabor sim kabor hima bat kabor snong kabor tau te kiruk kemakli ba po menekalong ba kilong concern ba ya kanega home quarantine tingi na kadaw ya kanay yung kasyong hakijing sngaw jong ka dorbar snong kawe pakawe ka bagi ong banginle iya katangin ya lebe mendai ban ong bangingin ong pidai ban lek kamta kanu ke bis ngau biang maki nakaleng jongi ke sarkar ngi pediang ngau ba tang ba ke jingi keren kelong bangi kentu nakaleng sarkar ba kitu ke balek garanti kim dai ban khenkai kim dai ban lekai kim dai ban violate ngau pi mensis ngi trace out kumba saus pangut hang ne po agglomeration slong kia ya kia yen pi kum kita ki e kilong kabam skongtonat tenganga sim ya kane kabu ban apil lang ba jong pi ba ka warning ka bangi ai kitu ke balek ka karantin ngau ba wat ya lekai namar ngimtip kiru ya le kimtip ngiru ngimtip ki marjan mar pa kimtip ki kime ki pa kimtip laki deine kim dei ki karier jong uneu kenyang jingpang nakadau ka ei ka bangi penbek kelombak kin burom lem bangi ai yaki kapor khat saus ngi ya kitu ke bahad north east bakin pendep ya ka khat saus ngi tenlei ke bawan nang the na po mainland na barjo ka north east ngi ong ba khat saus ngi kalong mandatory sa khat saus ngi pat kadai ka self monitoring guaranteed kabakin hable kabut ko total brokoi kenlong arpau prasni
Agora só está a gente que não só está para porque garantir só está mereka kami siapa yang akan di mobil standar.
Oh kabasutrat kelong pi ka tim jungi ka baklan ba tikelai lek visit lut khai namar belai ngong pi kat kum ka teknologi ka petang yo te mensisngi hadum din la dep kilek kini ki volunteer ki team jongi ki health team jongi kilek haki kilek nukong hakaborsno nan kabar kilek ru haki trying ki trysen joki kila keren bat kabaskuntrat kalong ba kiru ki saya menjur ki babe kelaki ong mtip seba ngina perkhat bom lele ti adin ba kila le counseling bat kitu ki team ki jongi ki benglabu te nakaliang joki kelai kular ba ngin nempen khenju ya kaneka garantin ka ba ke sarkar kala advice ki bat kumju ru na kalian ka borsnong ka borthau menta kla don rengkat bat ki volunteers jong ka health volunteers bat kumju bat ke sarkar ibaro kawai ban monitor lang ye kani arpo so kunta ka sini
Sir,
ha
when these citizens come back and if they want to go back to their respective places, will the government allow that or is there some specific time that they have to stay in Bhalia for some time?
sorry come again
Like when these students come back from outside
yeah
and if they want to go back to their respective place again, will the Bhalia government allow them?
no not immediately we have already made them very clearly that chances of going back as of now depending upon the situation does not arise. It may continue for another 3 months. It may continue till the end of this year. We don't know yet. But we have already told them, going back immediately does not arise. You can't just go back like that. Because the problem is with the counterpart also. Suppose now they are here from Meghalaya. They knew it, yes, we are safe. But you never know on the way, if they go back, and then the respective state government will say no. And then so many formalities that you have to do. So therefore, I think these people, they understand everything. Once you come back, means it takes time for you, or it is very uncertain for all of them to plan that they should go back at their convenient time. Done?
Finally, ada bersaudara someone found to reach health team.
Ha.
Dan berkumpul di sini depan di blok pada division depan. Kalau division berapa itu division
kum balong mentah borok lah tak tahu lut. But ya kena report ngilai yok lut na borok ki deputy commissioner negi district administration borok mentah man kesnong kila don lut ya kena tim ke joki. Borok kila don. Mdon subom don weru. Syagaru syane syakasi syajantia borok kila don lut kena tim. Api ko makalong mentahi komo api haduk mentah kampat don kanu ka infection let's say ban ong bikin yo ikan ke jingpang kala ban long ka flu la ni kala ban ong mdai tang flu let's say ya kan ka COVID-19 te kum balong him ta hapok ke jela jungi kampat don kanuno ka case ka ban long ta
I have one question, sir. With almost all economic activities coming to a standstill due to the national lockdown
yeah
till today, what is the overall revenue loss in this state?
well dear I think I still can't I don't have time we don't have time to calculate the the revenue loss that we incurred, but naturally I'm telling you the loss is huge. That you know well, but in detail I don't have, because even our officers are busy now for fighting the COVID-19. But the loss, as I said to you, suppose if we are supposed to get 100 rupees per day, this time not even 50 rupees per day. We don't get even 50 rupees per day. So you understand that. So the revenue loss, the generation in our resources has gone down maybe to zero level.